What's up, everybody? It's Josh from Blackout. I want to share with you a project we just finished up. So right beside me here we have a 2020 Police Interceptor Explorer. We got two of them here. We've got one for Latrobe and one for another department. And this one is what we call a slick top car, basically like an undercover style. You can see the lighting that we installed on the windshield. So what I'm going to do is just walk you through a little bit of everything that we did on this, give you a quick overview of what we can do for you and your department as well. So at the front end of the car, we've got lighting in the grille. This comes pre-cut out from Ford on the Interceptor model. We did add those lights. This one also has the factory option for lighting in the headlights. We were able to connect those and integrate those into the controller as well. Same with the mirror lights. This one has factory mirror lights, different than the other one that did not come optioned with that, where we added like the Phoenix puck lights, they call them. But we were able to integrate these mirror lights as well. And as we work towards the back of the car, you can see in here, at the customer's request, we installed Wayland ion lighting in the grab handle area, in that gap, as well as in the rear hatch area and on the back of the hatch. And they wanted this so that when you open the hatch, the lighting was still aiming out. So they didn't want that one mounted to the hatch. It's mounted to the headliner inside, so that way you can open the hatch and still see all those lights on the back. Now the tail lights, we have flashers in those also, so those will flash with the rest of the emergency lights. And that's basically it for the exterior, in addition to the light bar across the windshield there. So inside you can see the slick top lighting. It's designed specifically for the 2020. It matches the windshield curve perfectly so it doesn't glare back into the officer's eyes. We also installed a Wayland Controller. So this is what is the control panel for police officers. This has the grill flashlights, the side flash. We can program this and set this up basically however you'd like, personal preference. Then this switch brings you to different settings as well. If you go all the way over, which the key's got to be on, but if we go all the way over, you'll see it will turn everything on. We also have a PA and a siren that we installed. So this is, hey, pull over, that kind of stuff. That happens with this, as well as the siren, all through the same speaker. We have something called a magnet mic. This is just a mount that uses a magnet, so they're not trying to find a clip to clip it in, especially in an emergency situation. You need to get that thing in your hand and back out of your hand very, very quickly. That makes it a lot easier. The radio is going in. We are not installing the radio, someone else is, but that's what this empty gap here is for. I believe that's all the equipment that we have installed in this one. The other vehicle was a much more comprehensive upfit, so we'll do a video on that too. But let me show you what some of these features do. So we've got a grill flash button, and if we hit that, the grill is flashing. I can see the reflection over there. We've got the side flash. That's all of the stuff on the side of the vehicle, go figure. The rear is the whole rear section. The front light bar is this slick top bar above my head. Then we've got takedown lights. These are bright white lights that shoot straight. Gives the officer a lot of visibility that way. And then wigwag. This is the headlights flashing back and forth, and the tail light flashes. We've also got an air horn option. And this is a manual siren trigger, so you probably hear this a lot when you're in traffic and the officer needs to get through an intersection or what have you. Now, in an emergency, they need everything right now. That turns siren, lights. The whole car is lit up at this point. Let's check that out. So we turn the siren off so we don't drive everybody crazy, but you can see the grill lights are flashing, alternating, the headlights are alternating, flashing, as well as the emergency lights built into the headlights. The slick top lights are bouncing back and forth, same with the mirrors and all the lighting down the side and the back of the car, all with one flip of the switch. Now this is pretty standard equipment. If you're a police officer, you're probably watching this and saying, yeah, mine does that too. That's the point. We can do anything that you'd like. We can program stuff however you want. We are a full service upfit operation. So if you're a normal civilian that doesn't get to see the inside of a police car, this stuff might be pretty cool. So that's why we're making these videos. We want to show you what we can do and also give the general public a little bit of insight into what a police car looks like. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed.